Hello and welcome back to another video where I'm looking crusty, dusty, and musty once again. But are we surprised? Not really. Today I'm going to be getting ready for, yup, the title said it, a date. Wow. Oh my gosh. Y'all are probably like, what chapter did I miss? Since when are you out here kissing boys and going on dates? You see, the thing is, we are going to be talking about that in today's video, but I also just want to thank American Greetings for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Let me shower first. Okay, time is currently 5:50. I have exactly 40 minutes to get ready. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but you know what? We always pull through. The chaos from being late is going to be the excitement and the energy of this video. If you guys follow this Pham account or if you guys have just been keeping up with me for a while, y'all know that sometimes I just be getting the most random things on my doorstep, whether it be like loud words, Tim Hortons. But I genuinely think it's because like I love like the little things. I love doing the same thing for other people. Like gift giving is my favorite thing ever. So just know that if it's your birthday, I'm not sending you no regular schmegular happy birthday. I'm sending you an American greeting. Now it's easier than ever to do those little things for your loved ones because you guys can download the American Greetings app for free and get a 7-day free trial to send the cutest little cards to your loved ones. Because let's be real here, a happy birthday text is cool and all, like actually it is really cool, like thank you so much for thinking about me, but going the extra mile and sending somebody a cute little digital card is the way to go. The best part about it is if you guys don't know, I'm literally the biggest procrastinator in the world. And you know when you get like a happy birthday text at 12 a.m. and you're like, damn, they were on it? Well, now you can schedule them using the American Greetings app. So if you know somebody's birthday is coming up, just boop boop bop and put it in there and it'll automatically send it. And if you're feeling a little bit spicy, you can get celebrity personalized videos to send to somebody. So if you guys are last minute with everything and a procrastinator just like me, or if you guys just like, you know, want to be like thoughtful and cute, you guys can download the American Greetings app right now in the description box below and get a 7-day free trial. Thank you so much to American Greetings for sponsoring that portion of today's video. We have exactly 25 minutes left, but that's fine. We don't have an outfit picked, we don't have our hair done, but again, it's fine.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
So for some reason, y'all are so Snoopy and you guys love to hear about my non-existent love life. Just kidding, you guys aren't Snoopy. I just overshare and then that's what you guys expect now, which is fine. You know what I mean? Like that's just kind of the relationship that we have built. So basically, actually the past couple months I was low-key seeing somebody and that meant I wasn't really talking too much about boys on my channel or my spam account, and literally everyone was like, come on, you don't talk to us anymore, you've changed, like why don't you come on the spam account, talk to anymore? Like, and yo, I just did not realize how much I told you guys about my boy problems until I got into that situationship, because then I, like, you know, out of respect for the person, did not talk about it and y'all were coming for my neck. Of course, can't blame you guys because, you know, like I didn't tell you guys because I was being a little bit sneaky, but I'm ready to come here and reveal everything that I've been hiding from you for the past however many months. So y'all remember when I was like, oh my god, going on a date with my best friend? Yeah, so I ended up like basically dating him. And before you get mad at me for not telling you, am I here right now telling you a yes? So what the fuck are you mad for? I don't want to get you guys too excited if it didn't work out. And I'm really glad that I didn't because it didn't work out. Insert clips of me literally bawling my eyes out the day that we broke up.
You better stop!
Anyways, I'm feeling better now and I'm here to talk to you guys as if I'm in my single era again. And I am in my single era and I have been in my single era, but we're back in like the single era. You know what I mean? Like having fun, going on dates. But this time I'm gonna take you guys along with me because I don't want to say these men because that just sounds so bad, but these men. But like they're great. They're genuinely such great people. But you know, like it's just the energy that we give, you know what I mean? I'm not even gonna try to get too into it. Basically, me and my best friend didn't work out. Are we still best friends? Debatable. I mean, like, how are you supposed to go back to being best friends with somebody that you dated? Like, literally nothing bad happened, but it's just like, I don't think it's very beneficial to be like talking to somebody as if like nothing happened, because then it's like, anyways, today we're gonna go on a date, so that's on the side. Genuinely, I think my favorite hobby is getting ready and going on dates. Now, I know you guys are like, what are you on? Like, why are you lying to us? Like, you're literally always like, oh my god, I'm so alone, like, I don't talk to anybody, and you're out here being like, oh my god, guys, I'm going on a date. Right, you caught my red-handed.
I don't know why, but I just, like, absolutely love your voice so much.
Did y'all hear that? Did y'all just hear that? Anyways, where do I keep finding these men? I literally don't know. They keep spawning like mobs in Minecraft. I think that it's because I have an issue with flirting with literally everyone that I meet, but like I don't want to be like, oh, it's unintentional, like I just don't mean to, like I just have a flirty personality, you know what I mean, like the pick me girls. But like completely understand people that are like that, like you're just a Gemini or Libra, like we get it, you know what I mean? But no, I'm a Sagittarius. I feel like I'm very smiley and I smile at everyone, and a lot of the times that can be confused for I'm trying to date you. I was gonna say something else, but I just felt like it was a little bit vulgar, you know what I mean? I think that that's how it keeps happening, but like literally I just act oblivious, you know what I mean? Like I just act oblivious. I'm like, oh my god, yeah, I would love to hang out, like aha, like best friends, like you have such a great personality, which is so funny because I'm talking about it like this right now, but literally me, I was gonna say like, oh, 3 years ago, like no, literally me last year pulled absolutely no one. My DMs were dry as the Sahara Desert and nobody liked me. But you know what? We already talked about that in another full video of me getting ready. But yeah, then I decided to, you know, like work on myself and figure out that, you know, maybe I'm the issue, and like maybe that's the reason why nobody likes me, is because like I'm the issue and I'm just like not enjoyable to be around, which like still to this day that is an issue. I will meet somebody for the first time and almost everybody will hit me with the, are you okay? That means that like any emotion that I feel, I show it on my face, or like I have the most dead straight face ever. This is how I look, and then my eyebrows would like look mean, which actually that's another topic. I'm getting my eyebrow tattoos removed tomorrow. Like they're literally gonna go in and gouge my face out and get my tattoo removal because basically my eyebrows make me look so mean, and like that's just not the vibe. Anyways, what were we talking about? I literally have 10 minutes left and I look like this. But basically I worked on myself a little bit for the past year when I wasn't kissing boys and I was like celibate for a year, which that's in another video, where I tried to be more of a likable person and just, to be honest, be more tolerable to be around, because I used to not be tolerable to be around because I was mean. Not like intentionally, it's just that like smile, I don't know, like be an active listener, do something. So today we're gonna be going on a date is basically what I was trying to say this whole entire time. But am I looking for a relationship right now? No, definitely not. Like I didn't realize that, like, you know, relationships are fun and all, and I think they're great, but I just did not realize how talking to somebody, like being in an exclusive relationship, made me feel so disconnected from you guys, which is so terrible, because it's like, girl, maybe you should just like not overshare your life online and like that wouldn't be an issue, you know what I mean? And that is completely correct, you know what I mean? Like I agree, but the thing is I don't want to. I don't want to. Like I genuinely enjoy talking to you guys about my life, and you know, like out of respect for other people, like when you're with somebody you just don't do that, you know what I mean? It's called #privacy, which I know none of. I think you guys also enjoy it too. Like I just feel like my channel would be so boring if I didn't spill all the tea that went on in my life, and most of the time nothing really goes on. I just like to over exaggerate and act like something's going on, but like don't we all though, like, you know what I mean? But yeah, that was a sad era in my life. I was very happy, but in a way I was very sad because I wasn't talking to you guys, but a bitch is back and better than ever. Where was this going? Yeah, I don't want a relationship right now. I get it, it's winter season, you know, everyone's getting booed up, you know what I mean? Like it's cuddling season, and you know, this year I thought that I would fix that. This year I thought, oh my god, for the first time ever I am going to have a significant other for Christmas, you know what I mean? Like doing all the cute, like, oh my god, decorating a tree and, you know, cuddling by the fire. That will not be happening for the 19th year in a row. I will definitely be, in fact, spending Christmas alone here in New York. That just means that I get to spend it with you guys more, meaning that expect a vlog every single day during the Christmas time, because who the else am I gonna talk to, you know what I mean? And I know a lot of you guys in this Pham account are like, Mai, if you're not trying to get in a relationship, like why are you playing these guys? Like why are you going on dates with them? Me playing guys. Say that again, babe. Definitely not. I know none of you guys want to believe me, but to be honest, like I will go on dates and not kiss the guy ever. I'm out here acting like I go on so many dates. I literally don't. But you know what? I am entering my 20s. I'm going to be 20 years old in less than a month, which is so scary. I feel like when you're like 20, like that's when like dating like gets a little bit different, you know what I mean? You can date the son or his dad. No, but for real though, I've never dated anyone younger than me. Do you guys have a preference? I definitely do have a preference, and it is somebody that's older than me. But that got me in a lot of trouble when I was younger, because I'd be 16 into older people and that would be #illegal. But anyways, we're past that now. We don't like to focus on the past, okay? Do you guys remember that? No, I definitely prefer somebody that's older, just because like I'm just like so mature. I'm just like older people just like get me, you know what I mean? Like I've been told that I have like I'm like wise for my age, you know, like I'm a wise soul. I just want to say this right now. Sorry, I'm coming for your neck. If you say that you're mature for your age, never say that again. As mature as you probably are, don't say that. I get the biggest ick when somebody's like, I'm mature for my age. Like, look at your passport. What does it say? What does it say? Exactly. Sorry, I'm getting very heated. Just because a 45-year-old is into you doesn't mean that you're mature for your age. It just means a lot of other things. No, it is 6:30. Oh my god, my boobies are almost falling out. Oh my god. He's here. Okay, I'll come back to you guys in a sec. Okay, psych. It's been a couple hours later now and I haven't even gone yet. But anyways, the hair is done and it's situated. I just have to curl this one last piece. I literally don't know where we're going. Maybe he's taking me to like a Vietnamese restaurant that I've never been to before because he knows that like I love Nha Trang One, which if you guys don't know is like a Vietnamese spot here in New York. I literally haven't even told you guys who I'm going on a little cutesy date with. I'm going on a cutesy little date with somebody that lives in my building. And I've told you guys about him before, but I still have never spilled the beans too much on who it is. If you guys follow this Pham account, you guys may know a little bit more detail, but I think I've known him for almost 9 months now, which is so crazy. Now that I'm thinking about that, I'm like, that's a very, very, very long time. But you know, we like to go out to eat here and there. He's a very sweet boy. Okay, we have to put on an outfit. Literally, I flooded this. It's so dirty. This is the outfit that I was thinking. I want to wear this. It's like a blazer that's cropped. I got it at Dana Foley in New York. So we're gonna put this on. Oh my god, look at the cute view. So New York. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. Oh my god. Man's literally just knocked on my door with no warning. Literally no warning. And I wasn't ready. And I told him to meet me downstairs because I had to film my video. So you guys come first. I need to put on a lip liner. I'm gonna use this REM Beauty one.
Drop it, give it back, give it back.
Not me literally going on a date. There's like a shirtless man in the background of my video. I know, we're gonna talk about it soon, guys. This is the fit. I was gonna wear some heels, but then I realized that I don't want to dress up too much, even though I always say like, you know, dress to slay. But I also was gonna put on accessories, but I just feel like that's a little too much. I'm gonna go with this bag. It's like a vintage Dior one. Super cute, super cute. Got the lip liners, got the card. You know, you don't need it. You need to put on perfume though. Let's wear, I was at Sephora and I was so tempted to buy a new one, but I didn't because I have this whole collection at home. Let's wear Tom Ford Tobacco Vanilla, even though there's literally nothing left in here. This is some of the best perfume cologne ever. It's like apparently what Harry Styles uses, but it just flashes me back to living in Canada with my best friend and being like 17 again, and it always makes me feel so good. Today we're wearing 17-year-old Maya living in Canada in a good mood. All right, let's go. I'm gonna switch over to my iPhone though. Currently we're on the way, we're in an Uber. I think we're gonna get Vietnamese food, but I'm hungry. Okay, I got this like tofu dish. It looks so good. It came with like some rice. Cheers. Cheers. This is how I film my videos. No, like this is really good. Like the flavor is really good. I'll need to check this place out. It's actually so. Wait, this is new, right?
Brand new.
Brand new? It's so good. I'm gonna link the address on screen, but this is fire. Yo, this is so fire. Like genuinely delicioso. 10 out of 10 approval for me. Like I'm not joking. Oh my god. Oh my god, the chef literally just came by and he was like, are you my fam? And I was like, yes. And he was like, oh my gosh, thank you so much for coming. Da, 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 da. He's gonna bring up more food is basically what he's saying. And I'm like, yo, I was literally just telling the camera how good the food was without even.
What's up, guys?
Jimmy, right?
Yes, Chef
this
Jimmy.
Is Chef Jimmy. Oh my gosh. This looks so fire. All right, we're gonna do a taste test. This looks so good. Cheers. That's like the healthy version of it. This is really good though. Damn, beef tartare. This should go crazy. The little yolk on top. Woo.
East and the west, racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla, too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt, girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her, hey, I'm thinking I should've rest, all night long, she putting me to the test, got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest.